In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports for your Trello board using the Blue Cat Reports plugin. This powerful tool is designed to bring an extra level of insight and analysis to your workflows by transforming your Trello data into meaningful reports with just a few clicks. So, let's dive into the process and see how you can get started with this handy Trello power-up. Begin by navigating to the top right corner of your Trello board, where you'll notice an icon resembling a rocket ship. Go ahead and click on that icon. It will open a drop-down menu with several options, from where you'll need to select Add Power-Ups. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with the term, power-ups are, in essence, plugins created by third-party developers. They enhance your Trello boards by adding extra functionality that is not available out of the box. In the search bar that appears, type in Reports by Blue Cat. When you see the option pop up, click the Add button. After clicking, the button will change to Settings. Click on this new button to set up and authorize the Blue Cat Reports plugin for your Trello board. Authorization is an essential step as it allows the plugin to access your Trello data, ensuring the reports you create are both accurate and comprehensive. Once you've authorized the plugin, a shortcut button will conveniently appear at the top right of your board, making it easily accessible whenever you need to create a report. Click this new shortcut and you'll be taken to a user-friendly interface where you can click on Create a Report. The first task in crafting your report is giving it a unique and descriptive name. After settling on a name, click Create. This will set the foundation for your report. Now comes the exciting part: customizing your report by adding your first chart. Charts are the heart of any report, distilling raw data into visuals that are both informative and engaging. Each chart type in Blue Cat will have its unique setup process with straightforward instructions, so make sure to follow these carefully. The detailed guidance provided in the tool will walk you through the steps, ensuring that your charts fit the narrative you wish to convey. After setting up your charts and finalizing the details of your report, you'll want to save your hard work. Simply locate the Save Report button positioned at the top right of the page and click it. That final step will lock in your custom configurations, and just like that, you're all set. And there you have it, folks. Using Blue Cat Reports to create comprehensive reports on Trello is made simple with these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your experience working with Trello. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.